Welcome back to Barber's YouTube channel.
Big man ting.
Today we're gonna be in his humble kitchen.
Big man ting.
Yeah, doing what? Cooking up some baked bean and saltfish.
Don't forget to like and share the video with family and friends.
Yeah, you can leave a comment below. You can also follow me on Instagram, Barber _NHQ, Snapchat, Barber NHQ. Don't forget to subscribe.
Big man ting.
Yeah, these are all my ingredients for today. Saltfish, baked bean, aromat, ketchup, black pepper, vegetable oil, onion, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. These are all what I'm going to use. Now I'm preparing the saltfish. I'll give it a quick wash underneath the top, then boil for 15 minutes to boil out the salt from it. Now I've finished boiling the saltfish. I'm going to break it into small pieces for the next stage. Now I prepared all the fresh seasoning from before because of time. So this is my onion, my tomato, my garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. Now we're going to combine all together. Alright, now I'm at the second stage now, so I'm going to put in the vegetable oil. Just about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons. Once the oil gets to temperature, you can start to add all the fresh seasoning. So I'm gonna add my garlic and chili first. Add my onion. And I add my tomato. Once you add all the natural ingredients, then you turn down the fire a little bit and let it slow cook for about a minute. Then you add your saltfish. Now we're preparing all of this. All of this, as I said before, you can get in your local corner shop or your supermarket. It only cost me £2.89 for this meal that can serve you for 4 meals. Now we're going to add a little bit of the aromat. It's like all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit for flavor. Then you add your black pepper, a little bit. Now we stir fry this for just about another minute. Get all the seasoning soaked into the saltfish. Now we're going for the next main ingredient. The Heinz baked bean. Then we'll add a little bit of ketchup for a little bit more flavor. Then we leave it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is the finished product. You can have it in the morning for breakfast with fried dumpling. You can have it for lunch or dinner with mashed potato. You can have it with rice. You can have it with pasta and several other things. You can eat with pounded yam. You can eat it with rice and peas. You can eat it with jollof rice. There's a wide variety of stuff you can have it with. But this is a simple one for the university students. It only costs £2.89 and you can serve him 4 servings.
Welcome back to Barber Nick's YouTube channel.
Big man ting.
Today we'll be in Barber Nick's humble kitchen.
Big man ting.
Yeah, doing what? Cooking up some baked bean and saltfish.
Big man ting.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure to share the videos with your friends.
Big man ting.
I knew it. Welcome back to Barber Nick's YouTube channel.
Big man ting.
Today we'll be in Barber Nick's humble kitchen.
Big man ting.
No way.
What?
Welcome back to Barber Nick's YouTube channel. I was trying so hard. I was trying my hardest. Welcome back to Barber Nick's YouTube. Stop saying it. Stop saying it like that.
Alright,
I need to use the toilet. Wait, I'm coming back.